I've been watching FitnessFAQs for a while now. He's got great tutorials. If you want to deep dive, go ahead and check him out. But today is Busy Dad version, quick and dirty row tutorial, straightforward form cues, easier options if you're just starting, and progressions once you're ready to level up. You can do rows using multiple types of equipment, but I personally like using the rings because they're super convenient, they're easy on the joints, and you can scale from beginner to advanced without swapping gear. So today I'll be doing the rows using the rings. Start from the top down. First, your neck. Don't crane it forward. A physical therapy tip I picked up: gently tuck your chin in. It helps fight off that smartphone neck hump a lot of us get these days. I prefer a neutral grip, palms facing each other. It feels natural, easy on the shoulders, and sets you up for proper elbow positioning. When you pull, don't flare your elbows out wide. That turns it into an upright row. Keep them about 25 to 45 degrees from your body. That's the sweet spot for your back. At the bottom, stay relaxed, but before you row, pull your shoulders back. At the top, they should be fully retracted. That's how you activate the right muscles. Your back, not your traps. Use full range of motion. One tip I picked up from FitnessFAQs that really helped me: bring the rings or handles to the side of your chest. At the top, your elbows should travel past your body. That's how you get full contraction. Keep your whole body straight like a board. Tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and lock your legs. That way you're not cheating with your hips. It's all back work. Before we get into regressions and progressions, here are some common mistakes that happen with rows. Craning the neck forward. Keep that chin tucked. Shrugging shoulders. Pull them down and back. Flaring elbows. Don't chicken wing it. Half reps. Full range every time. Quality beats ego. If rows feel too tough right now, no worries. Here's how to make them easier. Keep your feet flat on the ground. The angle of your body is the difficulty setting. Stand tall for easier, go lower for harder. The closer you get to parallel with the ground, the harder it becomes. No matter what stage you're at, don't flop on the way down. Every rep should include a negative. Take 2 to 3 seconds, lowering yourself. Then pauses. Hold at the top with your shoulder blades squeezed. These two things build control and strength and set you up for progressions. Once you can roll parallel with both feet down, it's time to progress. First, elevate your feet on a stool or bench so they're level with the rings. That puts more of your body weight into the movement. From there, try a single leg row. Tuck your leg in front of you. Now more weight shifts to your trunk and core, making every pull tougher. And that's your Busy Dad row workout tutorial. Master the basics, stay consistent, and you build real strength that shows up in everyday real life. Join me for my follow along row workout. It's part 1 of my 5-day, 15-minute workout series. Let's go!